What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to download and install GameLoop on your PC. So firstly, what you want to do is to open Google on your browser. Then what you want to do once you open Google is to search for GameLoop, like so. As you can see, it's right here, so let's click on it. Then what you want to do after you click is to click on download button, like so. Now we have to choose where we want to download the game loop, so let's do that. Then what you want to do is to click on installer. Then you're going to click on yes, and as you can see now we can click on install. So let's do that. As you can see, the downloading process has started, and all we have to do now is to wait for it to be downloaded. As you can see now, we can start game loop, so let's do that. And as simple as this, you just install game loop on your PC. Now you can install which game you want to play. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.